Downhill tournament. Semifinal 1. Stinky Jack and Monte Paccaroni from Group 1, Ferdinand Lohner and Thorsten Bosch from Group 2 are racing in today's semifinal round. So let's go. Thorsten Bosch, driving in 17 Audi RS6 on. Ferdinand Lohner, driving in Porsche Panamera. Stinky Jack, driving an 18 Dodge Challenger SRT Demo. Monte Paccaroni, driving a Ford Focus RS. First two drivers in points will advances to the final. Race 1. Monte Paccaroni on the front right, Ferdinand Lohner on the front left. Here we go. Monte Paccaroni takes the win, followed by Ferdinand Lohner, Thorsten Bosch and Stinky Jack. Race 2. Thorsten Bosch and Monte Paccaroni on the front row. Here we go. Thorsten Bosch takes the win, followed by Monte Paccaroni and nobody. 2 DNF for Ferdinand Lohner and Stinky Jack. Scoreboard: Monte Paccaroni with 8 points in lead. Thorsten Bosch with 7 points on second. Ferdinand Lohner third and Stinky Jack fourth. Keep eyes on white car of Thorsten Bosch. Beautiful inside pass in the second turn. Collision between Ferdinand Lohner and Stinky Jack. Race 3. Stinky Jack and Thorsten Bosch on the front row. Here we go. Thorsten Bosch takes the win, followed by Monte Paccaroni, Stinky Jack, and Ferdinand Lohner. Scoreboard: Thorsten Bosch with 12 points in lead. Monte Paccaroni second, only 1 point behind Bosch. Ferdinand Lohner third, Stinky Jack fourth. Uncompromised lead of Thorsten Bosch. Monte Paccaroni's inside pass. Race 4. Ferdinand Lohner and Stinky Jack on the front row. Here we go. Ferdinand Lohner takes the win, followed by Stinky Jack and Thorsten Bosch. DNF for Monte Paccaroni. Solid last race by Lohner's blue Porsche and Jack's Dodge. Thorsten Bosch and Monte Paccaroni won their way to the finals. Double spins performed by our two Aquabelle Stinky Jack and Ferdinand Lohner. Guys, good show. I'm Matthew O'Brien, and this is DCR Downhill Tournament. See you soon on the Race of Cars YouTube channel.